Hello lovely people, welcome back to Cooking with Efya. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome, and if you are one of my regulars, thank you so much for always coming back. Today we are making a very rich, tasty Ghanaian peanut butter soup, also known as groundnut soup. This soup is perfect with fufu rice ball or plain rice, and I will show you how to get that deep peanut flavor without the sauce coming oily or watery. So relax, enjoy the process, and let's start cooking. Now let's begin with our meat. For this soup, you can use goat meat, beef, chicken, or any combination. So I'm going to be using cow feet or foot. Next, I'll also go in with some goat meat, willy, and also cow meat. Next, I'm going to be blending these vegetables and I'll pour it on my meat to steam alongside with it. So let's go and blend this, and from there we're going to proceed to our next stage. Make sure to clean your chicken. Make sure to clean your meat very well. Now it's time to add some aromatics to it. So I'll go in with some tomato paste. Next, I'll go in with some almighty aromat or spice blend. This seasoning powder is all you need right now, trust me. Moving forward, I'll add in some aromat bouillon tablets, one of my favorites. You can also use any aromat seasoning of your choice as well, and you are good to go. Next, let's add in some salt to taste. We will add in enough water because the protein that I'm using, they are very tough, so make sure to add in enough water to help soften the meat very well. Now give everything a very good mix so the seasoning coats the meat properly. Now cover the pot and allow the meat to cook on medium heat until it becomes tender and release its natural stock. This stock is very important because it forms the base of our soup, trust me. So we're going to make this peanut butter soup the simplest way, or the local way. So I'll just add water to the peanut. For the water, you can use cold water or warm water. Make sure your hands can tolerate the warm water, okay? Now after adding in the water, use your clean hands to stir or mix everything together until you have a very thick consistency but very pourable as well. So now let's mix until we achieve the perfect thickness or consistency that we're looking for. Whilst that is going on, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on our protein, and this is how it looks like. Wow, the aroma in here is so lovely. Thanks to aromat seasoning. You need to try it out, trust me, you will love it. Now our meat is almost done. So since I didn't cook the peanut soup for oil to settle on top before I add it to the soup base, this is the right time to add in the peanut butter so that it cooks alongside with it. So I'll add water to the soup to reach the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. Peanut butter soup thickens up very easily, so make it light so that when the soup is ready, you will get the perfect consistency, trust me. So we're going to give it a very good stir, add in enough water, and allow the soup to cook properly. At this point, don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. Alright, so the soup has been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes now. You will notice the soup taking and the oil starting to rise gently to the top. This is a good sign. As you can see, at this point we're going to taste the soup and adjust the seasoning with salt or seasoning cube if needed. If the soup is too thick, add a little water and stir gently. Alright, so now allow it to simmer for a few more minutes until soup is smooth, rich, and well cooked, just the way you're seeing it on the screens right now. And just like that, a rich Ghanaian peanut butter soup is ready. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this easiest peanut butter soup in the comment section, and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Just look at that beautiful color, that thickness, and that oil sitting nicely on top. This is how peanut butter soup should look like. Serve it hot with fufu rice ball or rice and enjoy every bit. Trust me, I'm going to be enjoying mine with face the wall, which is kokunti. You can also enjoy yours with fufu rice ball or anything of your choice. Don't forget as well to subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. And until next time, keep cooking with love and see you in my next upload. Bye.